So what we make at SensorTech are bespoke acoustic tech products for listening and talking underwater. So we make a small component of what goes into our customer's system, but it's an important part. It's the acoustic heart that tells them what they can see actually underwater. Whether you're looking for whales in a shipping strait, whether you're wanting to look for oil and gas underwater, whether you're looking for an enemy submarine, all of those things use acoustic. The owner, Jozo Wider, he started a pottery plant, and a number of decades into it, they hired my dad. He took the company and transitioned from pottery to high-tech pottery called piezoceramics. What's interesting about a piezo ceramic, if you push on it, so if you compress it in a certain way or add pressure, it actually emits an electric voltage, so you can listen for underwater pressure waves. Conversely, they also work by applying voltage in, and they'll actually create deflection, which creates noise underwater, which is what we call a transmitter, or kind of like a speaker underwater. The piezo ceramics are all made in Ontario. The process of making pottery versus making a piezo ceramic or a high-tech ceramic is actually really similar. The clay itself has really, really specific properties. It's like a cake batter with a recipe, but that's really precise. What happens here at Co, we take the ceramics, we assemble them, and then overcoat them in an epoxy or a polyurethane, make them waterproof, do all the pressure testing. Sometimes these units get used at thousands of meters below sea level. Being connected to the ocean community helps us understand what programs are available. We found new suppliers, we found new customers. We've got partnerships happening with other companies, not only at Co, but outside in the industry here. And we have a much larger population base to be able to draw from for technical staff. We come with 37 years of knowledge of piezo ceramics. There's probably less than a dozen manufacturers worldwide that make ceramics. And there's probably less than 3 worldwide that do both ceramics and the assembly of them. We're one of those 3. We're going through a pretty big expansion. Over the last 3 years, we've bought close to $1 million in new equipment. We've been lucky to get some government funding that is going to help us develop some new products. Talking to my customers and being able to work with them on the interesting products that they're working on, that's definitely what gets me up every day.